Hello, welcome back to another episode. For those who already know me, thanks for coming back. For those who don't, my name's Darryl and I'm the owner of Bristol Polishing. So in this episode we're going to be working on this Mercedes GLC 63S. It's in for our Wax is Dead 10-year Ultimate Plus package. We're also going to be refurbishing the wheels, and the calipers look a bit tired as well. There's a little bit flaking from the lacquer on there, so we're also going to redo those. It's quite a nice vehicle to work on, to be honest with you. It's pretty reasonable on mileage, but the paint that is a little bit tired. So we've got quite a lot of rectification to do. I've got a couple of TikToks up today as well, so if you're going to see those, you can see like the state of the lights and the window surrounds as well. That's another thing as well, they're pretty bad on here, but we've got that up really nice.
Okay.
Obviously, as you can see, it's all ticked up, ready to go. So I've done the polishing. Next step now is the ceramic cover. You'll see that later on. As always, if you've got any questions or any comments or anything, please leave them down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, enjoy the video, and I hope to see you on the next one. So as you can see, there's a massive improvement on the window surrounds because these were quite badly acid damaged. Now as you can see, they were all lovely and black, which is wonderful. The paintwork's gone really well as well. Just about to pin all the masking tape off. Once we've got the tape off, then we will get the car IPA'd, ready for ceramic coatings. As previously mentioned at the start of the video, this vehicle will be receiving the Wax is Dead Ultimate Plus, which is our 10-year coating, and this can only be applied by elite installers such as ourselves. So as you can see, I'm peeling all the masking tape off now because we've done the polishing, but as I always mention, it's so important to make sure that you are masking up your vehicles. Reason being is because if you're not masking up this edge, how can you expect to be polishing this edge without damaging the rubbers or the plastics? So if you're not masking up your edges, you're not doing your job properly. Right, so today is a new day. So after letting the paint rest overnight from polishing, I'm going to give it a good clean up with the Wax is Dead cleaner now. This is an IPA based product. This is going to prep all the panels and all the paintwork for the Ultimate Plus ceramic, which we will be using. Now the ceramic's done, we're going to let the ceramic cure off. Once the ceramic's cured, we're going to get the car back up in the air. Then we're going to strip the calipers because there's a little bit of lacquer fill on them, so we're going to repaint those, make them good as new. And then once we've done that, I'm going to put fresh wheels back on. It will be ceramics in the whole car. We've had this full makeover and it will look banging. Don't forget to like and subscribe as always, and if you've got any comments, questions, leave them down below.